Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to save video on TikTok without watermark. First, open TikTok. Now choose any video that you want to save on your phone without the watermark. In my case, this is the video that I'm going to download. Now press the arrow pointing to the right. That's your share button. In here, tap copy link. There would be a pop-up on the top says link copied. Now exit TikTok. Now open any browser of your choice. In my case, since I'm using iPhone, I'm going to open my Safari. Tap your search bar and then search snaptic.app. Then here you'll have an option to paste the link that we copied a while ago. Once it's pasted, press download. So we'll wait a few minutes or seconds depending on how long your TikTok is. Here you'll press the blue download one. Now there will be a prompt if you want to download the said video, just press download. On the lower left part of your screen there will be a blue arrow in here. Just press that and go to downloads. The video that we have just downloaded will pop up in here, just press the video. Now, in order for us to save this to our gallery or to our photos, press the box with an arrow pointing up, scroll down, and you'll have an option to save video. Now, go to your photos. Now, find the video that you've just saved. There it is. As you can see in here, the video from TikTok was saved without the watermark. And that's how to save video on TikTok without watermark. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.